Hi, today we're talking about conference registration form. So this is a simple form which people can use to book create a registration for a conference. So basically in this form we have certain fields like the name, the details of the person who's going to attend, and all the offerings that you are providing in this particular conference. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on share form over here and click on copy form link. And once this link is copied, provide this link to the particular person who is going to attend the conference. So once they see this link, they will be able to enter the details over here. And as they enter the details and click on submit, all these records will be captured in the responses view. So I'm going to quickly fill in some of the random details from here, and I'm going to show you how exactly it will work. Okay. So I'm just randomly filling all the details. And once you click on submit, you can see that the response has been submitted right now. What you need to do is go to the responses view next to the form builder, and you will able to see the response has come up over here as we just filled in. Okay, so this is how you can utilize this exact registration form, conference registration form, for your use case. You can obviously make changes to the existing fields as and when needed, and you can even add more fields for your requirement. So everything is customizable on your own end. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. It helps you generate PDF documents in bulk, for which it utilizes a Google document as a source of template file. So make sure you add a Google document where you have the template file defined, and then you can create a Google Sheet or a Notion database, which will have all the source of the information for the database to be replaced on the Google document to generate bulk PDF documents. Okay, so we need a database and we need a template file. For these two things, these two tools will work. I've added a video for the invoices part of how you can generate bulk invoices in a click utilizing the exact flow that I just explained. You can watch this video and definitely check out PDF output for a use case. If you have any questions or any queries, reach out to me at notion for my use @gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you with any of the help that is required. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.